Hello people, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Rishi and today we are going to talk about how our group made smart glasses. These are the smart glasses and let's talk about features first. At current stage they can show you date, time and phone notifications, all the phone notifications. I haven't added any more features because of the screen real estate. It's quite small and I barely can add anything else. So let's first talk about hardware. I'm using Raspberry Pi Zero W. It can run full-fledged Linux. That is why it was my primary choice. And this display is just random generic display. I wasn't able to get it work, but finally after a few days of hard work I was able to get it working with one of the random drivers that I found online, and I had to edit its code because it wasn't working perfectly. So I tweaked the codes of those drivers and then it started working with it. So most of the people are asking me, how is it showing in front of your eyes? So here is a display which is actually reflecting to these over here. You can see these are reflective lamination plastic which you can find in any stationery. I've just cut it out in this shape and concealed it over here so that it could be hidden. And for enhancement of the display which you are seeing, I've added biconvex lens so it would zoom in a little bit. I was going to add power bank at this side, but due to lockdown I'm not able to get it delivered to me, so therefore power bank isn't added yet. Once it would be added, this would be a complete on itself and I wouldn't need anything else. Like currently you can see this wire is going over here. Once power bank is added, we won't need this wire. And also I've currently attached OTG cable, wireless keyboard and mouse. That's just because I was doing changes over here. I've just finished building it, so actually we don't need it right now. This would be how it going on. And see, right now I can see timing and one of the WhatsApp message that I have gotten. Yes, on the software side I have used Magic Mirror, program that is actually meant for building smart mirrors, but I have done my research and it was suitable for glasses too. And I was going to write Python codes, but then I was like, if I can get modules from many experts without coding it myself, and I can add multiple things in it which would be updated constantly. So therefore I've just went for Magic Mirror software over here. That's it about the smart glasses. Thank you very much for watching the video. I hope you liked it. Please subscribe, and if you have any questions, do post it in the comment section. I will help you how to build these, and also please leave suggestion for any future videos. Thank you.